So there you are guys, toad in the hole made in the air fryer. So easy, you know. I'm a Yorkshireman, Yorkshire pudding, sausages, toad in the hole made. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make toad in the hole. Toad in the hole in the air fryer. You know, many recipes on the internet, they're shocking. Let's show you how to make this properly. I'm from Yorkshire. It's Yorkshire pudding and sausages. Let's do it. Come on. Okay, so what we're going to do then, we're going to knock up a quick Yorkshire pudding batter. Okay, we've got about 150 grams of flour in there. We're going to put in a pinch of salt, and then we're going to put a pinch of pepper actually. I like a little bit of pepper in there. Put a little bit of pepper in. So that's our flour mixture. We've got 4 eggs in here, and all we're going to do is give these a bit of a beating. Just give these a bit of a beating up. It just makes it easier when we actually put it all together. So if we give it a little bit of beating first, you don't have to go too bananas with it. So that's our eggs, a little bit of a beating. Now don't forget, we're working in this kitchen and it is a tight space. Got about 175 mils of milk. We're going to add about 25 mils of water, something like that. All we're going to do is add all our liquid to our flour mixture, and we're going to stir all that in to make a batter. So in it goes. Get it all in there, and then we're just going to give it a mix up. Really, I could have done with a bigger bowl here, guys. I always make a mess. Just stir it round, mix it in. Now what we're going to do, we're going to leave this to settle for about 20 minutes. So try and get most of your lumps out of there. Now if you're leaving this overnight, you know, you could just give it a whiz round. Try and get most of the lumps out, but it's not crucial because the flour would actually take on the liquid as it's standing overnight. That'll do, guys. That is our Yorkshire pudding batter mix made. All we're going to do now is leave that for about 20 minutes. Leave it for about 20 minutes, and then we'll shove some sausages in a tin, throw them in the air fryer. That's it, guys. There's no preheating required for this actually, so all we're going to do is take out our basket, and what we're going to do, we've got a bit of a round tin here which we're going to use, because obviously we have to use the capacity of the air fryer. All we're going to do is spray it up with our olive oil and water spray, or our homemade spray. Give it a squirting through there, and then we're just going to put it in the fryer, and we're going to put our sausages in. Now you put the sausages in and we set the fryer off at 200 degrees for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes we'll turn the sausages over before adding the batter. That's how easy this is to make toad in the hole in the air fryer. It's not complicated at all. In fact, the air fryer sausages actually puff up very nicely inside. Absolutely superb. So all we need to do, look, we could just turn them over. Turn the sausages over, and then we're going to chuck the batter in, and then we'll set the air fryer on the 200 degrees, or probably 400 degrees F, and we'll set it for 14 minutes. And that's it. In 14 minutes we'll be taking out a lovely, perfectly cooked toad in the hole. So just shove that in there. Set your timer and leave it for 14 minutes. Oh, just look at that. Absolutely superb. All we got to do now is get it out of this tin, and I've got that really awkward tin removal gadget. So take it out of there and we're just going to serve it up. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just look at that. Just dab some gravy on here and serve it up. Now you could serve it up with whatever you want, but I'm just going to eat it with gravy. Now leave a comment below. Let me know if you've made toad in the hole in the air fryer. Perfectly plumped up sausages and fantastic Yorkshire pudding. Oh, look at that. Oh, absolutely fantastic, guys. You know, you got a fantastic Yorkshire pudding there. Sausages are all plumped up, absolutely delicious. You know, that is how to cook sausages in the air fryer. And put that with Yorkshire pudding. Toad in the hole made. So that's how to cook sausages in the air fryer. Put that with Yorkshire pudding. And that is toad in the hole made. No, I don't like that. So there you are, guys. Toad in the hole made in the so there you are, guys. Toad in the hole made in the air fryer. So easy, you know. I'm a Yorkshireman. Yorkshire pudding, sausages, toad in the hole made. Simple and fantastic. Just look at that. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.